All right,
Fire when ready.
all right, here we are at the MDN Carney Valve Trade Show, and we're shooting some Nerf bullets. Oh, near miss. All right, Doug, so what we got here is a really common setup with a MAC PPC, proportional pressure controller. Okay, that takes your main plant air supply, and we feed that with a 0 to 10 volt command signal. That 0 to 10 volt command signal is going to give us pressure out, and it's going to feed a pilot operated regulator. These devices here are great for small closed volumes. When we've got a large volume or an open circuit, we want to use the pilot operated regulator to give us consistent pressure out of our cylinder port. So we're feeding this valve with the same main supply, and whatever pressure we command here, that's the exact same pressure we get out here at a much higher flow rate. So, all right,
We're talking about precision control. That is the name of the game right here, right? We're talking about
repeatable and reliable. So you know what? Let's crank this baby up to 10. I wish you went to 11, but it doesn't. And we're going to get her lined up.
Woo, there we go. Love it. Love it.
Go.
So once again, we've got a PPC, a proportional pressure control valve, and then that is feeding the pilot operated regulator.
Stock part at NEFF with our 92 series system, individual base or manifold. You know, we have a lot of applications where we might have 10 or 15 valves on a manifold. We just have 1 or 2 valves where we want to have a regulated output. If it's a set it and forget it application, we're going to use a manual knob. Usually you'll have a gauge here, but I might have a recipe controlled system where the PLC can change that pressure from part to part, or maybe I want a tamper-proof system that can only be adjusted with the maintenance code in the HMI.
Yeah.
So common applications for that.
Love it. Great, excellent. Thank you very much, Brian. Appreciate it.
See ya.